Okay. I just want to get the thing to run again. Let's see what we got. We need to change the Wi-Fi password again to see if the neighbors are using the internet. Even if they're not, the MacBook won't let me use another password than the one that we set to block the neighbors. No one's been using the internet, I don't think. Who? When is that? Title 10 minutes. Uh, yeah, they're gonna be okay. They're gonna survive, no? I'm gonna have to take away their internet, their Wi-Fi for like some time now because we're playing poker. Okay. I'm sorry, neighbors. Oops. What the fuck? Connection to server is lost. Yeah. Okay. Get me into the Wi-Fi now, please. Why does it keep showing images of myself to me, man? The new MacBook update is horrendous, man. Why would it show me a picture of myself to me on my wallpaper? That's just stupid. Like, I don't need to look at myself. It's embarrassing, man. I want to start off the thing, it's gonna show my fucking face on it. Cool, man. Cool, man. Right, League of Legends hovered for some reason. Cool. Why is it hovered or something? It's only not even working. So Awesome Duck and Fan. It doesn't even work really. You can just uninstall it at this point. Also, let me empty the bin because I think we've been deleting a lot of stuff. Maybe not. Okay, so let me open the code. Okay, that's good. That's fine. Shit. So, fuck, man. We haven't restarted this one. I think we have. What have we done? Like that one. I keep stopping it. Like I keep turning off my PC. It's not good. This thing needs to like run a couple times. So bad. Okay, we got how many lines we got? None. These are 10 lines, dude. Fucking hell. We ain't got lines, bro. Alright, we're gonna retrain the model anyways. Or we're gonna play a couple rounds first. Fucking play a couple rounds and then retrain the model. Do we rewrite the model in any way? Do we need to write anything? There was one thing. This is on this one. This one. We're falling too much in what? Um, in flop. Okay. We don't retrain the model. We're just gonna add a couple more lines. Yeah. What the fuck? Play a couple flops. Win a couple, lose a couple. Like 10 hands or something. Well, maybe 20, preferably 100, but maybe 10. And then we're gonna retrain the model, let it play itself for a little while. And see what happens. Just see what happens. Also, see that there's no -1 lines and see that everything is working correctly. It takes 12 milliseconds now. It'll take 100 later. It's so weird. I guess it's using up more storage space while it's like runs. I don't know. I probably maybe need more RAM. Maybe you should order more RAM. That's not even expensive. Because if you don't have enough RAM, that's no good. Then you'll use the hard disk. And if you use that one a lot, it'll probably like break at some point. Like last time, I was doing a lot of like computation and AI stuff. I think it pretty much broke. Wait. Don't fold nothing, dude. It may fold or something, like it may do something. No way, you fuck. Oh man. Should've checked maybe, I don't know. Fold that shit, man. That's boring, man. That's boring. Next time I have a really good hand, I'll just check and see if he like how much 5 SPV. 5 SPV? Raw data how much 5 SPV? No way. When was that? No, there was no 5 SBB, dude. Fuck. 1 BB, yeah, that makes sense. Dude, there was no 55 big blind to call. No, there was not. Fuck, man. It's not reading it correctly every time. Fuck, that's fatal. We cannot have that. We cannot have that. Can't have it read it the numbers incorrectly. That'll be fatal. Fuck. Also, see if it like saves any minus ones in the equity column. Five SBB. Damn. See? Some wrong. Some wrong. Something is wrong. Shit. 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 Fuck. Alright, let's see if we can debug. 5 SBB. Maybe I could like ask if it says 5 SBB, and if it's 5 SBB, I think it's 5. Dude, I need to check again. No way. Where's those new images? Not sure. So where is it not sure? These are we'll retrain those, but let's see. I think we'll be here somewhere. No, it won't. It won't save this image because it's 0.5. Damn, man. Shit. We could have taken a fucking image. Could have taken an image. Dude, we can maybe save the images and then compare the images like manually. But after reading 5 SBB, am I sure it was 5? Let's watch the replay on Twitch then. No, it's YouTube, bro. See if I can like watch that shit already. If I can't, I'll stop streaming for now. Can I watch that shit from the beginning? I can. Maybe. Shit. It's gonna be what, 5 to call, right? Yeah. Why is you reading 5S, you stupid fuck? Doesn't say 5S, you fuck. says obviously says 5 big blind. What is he on about? I wonder where the mouse is at that moment. I think after clicking something, you move it to the upper left corner, so that's not the issue. Hmm. It was printing raw data. How much? Okay. How much? And that was where here? No, it was here. Raw data. How much? Alright. If raw data. What was it? But we should probably try stripping it because strip. Where's that strip? Data equals raw data dot strip, and then if data equals what is he saying? 5 SBB. Yo, why is it doing this? Are these also possibilities or what? I fucking hope not. It must have been 5 BB to call, please. Man, this needs a lot of debugging, man. This Tesseract. Where's the free open source OCR, good OCR engines when you need them? Like, there's probably OCR engines for exactly that, for reading screenshots. It's probably OCR engines for exactly that are better than Tesseract. Tesseract is also for like actual images where there's like maybe handwritten text on it too. So it's not even like specialized for this problem. There's probably better specialized OCR versions, but we're too late now. We're too late now. Like what other OCR engines can we use? And let's see if the one before that was also for. We could have taken a could have taken a. We can maybe save the images and then compare the images like manually. But after reading 5 SBB, am I sure it was 5? Let's watch the replay of see think was in here somewhere. Yeah, we're already looking for it. Shit. Oh, incorrect page. For really good hand, I'll just computation and okay, 3.5, 3.5. That's good. And next up is gonna be what to call. Now I was gonna say 5S. Oh, but it's a different. No, it's 5. Ooh. It's not 0.5. Ooh. 5 SBB, yeah. Okay. It's showing me 5 SBB for some reason, okay. Oh well. It is what it is. Restart it again, retrain it, I know. Cheng YC. why they lift up every handle or whatever, man. Ooh, damn. This thing is. Oh, damn. No, no, don't even let it make its own decision. It's doing dumb shit and flop down. Check, check, check. Oh, bad. I shouldn't be clicking now. I should not be clicking now. Damn. Then again, ooh, cool, cool. Yeah, I should have clicked. Good. 5.8, that's exactly what it said. Now let's see what happens. Now it's this. Now the model should actually be working properly, so I shouldn't be needing to click anything. If you fold that, that's bad. Thank you. What's he call? Call? I'm not. I think I'll call anyways now. I think I'll call anyways. You motherfucker! Oh damn! Alright, let's unwait for blinds. It's gonna save -1, I think. Shit. Is it? Alright, let's goodbye. Thank you. For game. Do I show emote? I'll leave table. I would show like emote, good game or something. What did I? Let's see when we handle all in. What output we're generating. Also, let's merge. Okay, wait. Shit. Fuck it. I mean, find that shit manually. Where did I? Up there somewhere. Turn. River. No decision to make. Flop. And all in. Could do backside and backside and just so it looks nicer. Okay, make more output all in handled, and it's doing the -1, dude. Alright. Right, we got a parameter, dude. We got a parameter. Which is wait. Just let me where let's find that again. All in handled. Put that up there. We got multiple of those. Yeah, we got multiple of those. And we need to make an output there. Output is no -1. There's no -1. It's We got parameters, dude. We got parameters. Um, it's not cards. It's not time to act. It's not busy ticking. Own money before last pre-flop. That's the parameter, dude. There you go. Okay, but what lock is that? What lock is that? Shit. Shit. Fuck. What lock is that? Oh, money before. It's the lock, the normal lock. How we can use the normal lock in here? With self.lock minus self dot all money before last pre-flop. Show return. But like minus that. If that one hasn't been reset yet, which it has not. No, this being reset after we did the next new card. So yeah, that's handled. Now let's see if you got any minus. I mean, we didn't add many lines. We didn't add many lines here. Well, and those two lines that we did add don't contain a -1 here. I wonder how this -1 came to be. Maybe I clicked the red buttons manually without using the GUI buttons, and that's what happened. I don't know exactly. Also, let's see what the mean value of these is. Like average pop 50. The mean value of that is what? Is that like a mean value of that thing? Kinda ain't. Let's set this thing to 3. All of them to 3 in the beginning. Let's see. Set all of them to 3. See if how that works. Instead of 0, 0. It's 3. Just so it's like not that much different when it's like a starting game and a middle game and a going game. Right? It should somewhat be like similar, telling similar stuff because we're not using neural networks or anything like that because we don't have enough data. So, all right, what are we doing now? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. I was thinking about maybe we need to add more of these, but maybe not. Fuck it. Maybe we do need to add more of these. Dude, I wish I had more of these now. Where's the 4? Where's the 6? Fuck it. It's fine. These we got way too many of these bigger values. These are not even telling it. I don't think, but okay, it's fine. Whatever. I think. What else is there? What else? That's it. Just add a couple more lines, rechange models. And that's it, I think. The -1 doesn't appear anymore, right? Please no. Everything working correctly. Everything is working correctly. Yes or no, man? Was there actually 2.4 big blind to call? Who raises by 2.4? That's impossible. Hello? Dude, they was holding nothing, man. Both of them. The fuck, man? Damn. One of those steps took 455 milliseconds. Like the ones before was 12, then 69, 455, 112. Like, oh, it's so weird. I guess it's fragmented now or something. Or it needs to empty some space before it's using new space. Who the fuck knows why it's slowing down. Not sure if. Alright, I think I'm calling this. No, I'm not calling it. Just, am I reading the number correctly though? Yeah, I am. They're just all in it for no reason. They're just all in it for no reason. These, bruh, these people are all in it for no reason, dude. Okay. I raise, damn. Funny little raise here, one. That is a funny raise, dude. Check. Checking here, it's trying to fold. It's trying to fold. I'll just call everything and flow. Fuck it. And now, what do we do? I think I called already though. It's calculating and it's just checking. Are we doing something here? Bet. Oh damn. Oh well, it paid off a little bit. Ace and 4. Oh. 4 big blinds. I wonder what it's gonna do. I think it may call. No! That's fine though. It's actually fine. It's fine. Ace and 4 you don't call it. Because if someone raises to 5 big blinds, he may be calling double or something. That's any double anything is has a higher winning probability than ace and anything. Because if it ain't double aces, chances are he's got a better hand. I wonder if I'm calling that. No. Why am I not? Oh, fucking don't care. It would have been a 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need an ace or a 6 for a straight. That's not even bad. And they would have not suspected shit. If someone has a 5 and we have a straight, that's when you all in here. That's how you usually play poker. If you have a 2, 3 and there's a 6 coming, and someone thinks that he wins because he has a 5, I let him raise, call, and have a straight at the end. That's the usual tactics, I think. Oh, well, it's down to 12 milliseconds again sometimes. What if I buy more RAM though? What happens? I wonder. Again, bro, these guys are like raising and calling with nothing except with me. Like, when I'm fucking raising or something, they're not. But other people, yes. Other people, they just raise and bet and all in, having nothing except like a king in the hand, with nothing to like add to it, like just a high card king, and they just all in. All right, what do we do now? I think we just call everything and flop just to get experience. Not even fold anything. We need to learn. All right, let me call that just to make that experience. I hope it's gonna be a bad experience now, but not too much of a bad experience. Let me hurt a little bit, but not too much. Actually, I can fold now, and it'll already be teaching me a little bit. But let me call anyways. No, what to do? I folded. Oh well, we barely learned anything then. But we can check if it's actually doing the right thing though. Play one more hand maybe, and then we check if the pre-last output was. I should have bet I did. Alright, and then we check if the pre-last output was minus 0.05. Also, we should try all in. We should try going all in, and if we lose and restock, what that number gonna be? I think I can get new chips now, so we could try all in and lose and just to test it, but it should work. Like it wasn't that much complicated code to like fix there. I'm just trying to bring it to a state where I don't have to play myself anymore, and I can just play League of Legends and let that thing run and train and learn for itself, which I think we can bring it to that state. Like, almost a flush there. 50 cents for a flush, 50% chance for a flush there. Again, 50%. Well, I'll call that manual because it might do some dumb shit. My self-equity flop at mono input formation. There we go. Something went fucking wrong. Hella. Why? Why did that happen? Why is it on this one? You fuck, man. I'm just gonna call this hand because it's a good hand. That's a good chance anyway still to take because we have a quarter of a chance for a very high flush and the pot is fairly high. I'm call it still. Oh well, we lost. Should have kept playing maybe. Check this scenario too. Damn it. I lost, right? Maybe. What happened, man? What happened? Why is he -1? Why is he -1? Why is he -1? Part formation. Self equity flop. Why? 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 Make flop model input. Where is the no. Wait. I think this one printed though. Not that one. Okay, let's see where that one happens then. Make flop model inputs. Make decision flop. Equity flop. Wait. Yeah, equity flop is being set to something here. And this one's printing or what? Flop equity model prediction set 1-1. This one should also print. It doesn't. Why does it not print? That's impossible. This one should print. It can't acquire the lock, maybe. Maybe it's having trouble acquiring the lock and it's like waiting for that one and it keeps running the other stuff. Are we using this lock inside there? Oops. Yeah, we are. Hmm. This one's not printing. None of these on cards and flop. This one's not happening for some reason. For some reason, this code doesn't run. Sometimes. Does it run other times? On card and flop. On card and pre-flop, that's what it says there. We want on card and pre-flop. On card and pre-flop. There's flop. On cards and flop. And then you have the prediction too. See? That's not even healthy at all, man. That's not good. That's not good. That's no good. No good. What if we bring this variable inside here? Then this code cannot run before that one. If we use this variable inside here, this code cannot run. I think, but that's like, I shouldn't be needing to think that far, dude. Like, how, how do I know that it's running asynchronously like that? It's that 1-1. Alright, I think it'll wait for that. Follow inputs. Where are we printing the? It's that 1-1. Print set 1. I just want to print the set 1-1 thing. Zurück, set 1-1, bro. Set 1-1. So, and print take what's possible. And in here, do we need to use it? No, right? That is fucked up now. It's gonna be -1 here, right? Wait. Let me synchronize real quick. We could just take everything in flop that's not too high and learn off that. Like in the beginning, call everything in flop just to like gain experience without needing to play manually. Like it'll lose more in the beginning, but it'll learn. You know what I'm saying? There's a -1 here, clearly, man. Unfortunately. Yeah. So what do we do? And this variable is being set inside this lock. And if we use it afterwards, what if we set it to, no, what if we, I don't like this at all, man. No, not at all. We could do it all in the same lock and remove this lock from all these functions, but like that's not a pretty solution. That's not a nice solution to do. Like you don't like do like a whole bunch of stuff, maybe even some time.sleep inside a lock. You don't do that. I think that's not a pretty solution. We're gonna try another way. There's gotta be another way. Another way. This is the way. This is not the way. Let's see if we can get some chips going. Let's do it all in the same lock, maybe. Fuck it. Fuck, man. That's a little bit. Do it all in the same lock, fuck it, no? Maybe it doesn't happen anymore though. But it's not pretty. This one also not pretty. Like, what kind of solution is that? Like, I'm just like guessing how Python or like this particular code would run because it's like asynchronous and stuff. And like I'm guessing that if that variable isn't set, it'll wait for it to be set because it's set in the log previously. Like that's some guessing work of how my code like should should work or run. It's not really pretty good way to like be developing. But what are you gonna do, man? Freimaurer 75. Okay, Freimaurer 75. I wonder what these people is holding. Well, we'll never know, so unfold it. Bitch, I don't know. Fucking man. You so rap about this shit. We hear nigga fuck all the time. I think I'm calling this, right? I think 4 big blind we're not calling with an ace and something. This one was 2 to call, right? Yeah. No. I need to manually. No, I need to manually. Now. Oh, I'm calling. Oh wow, it's negative. It's all negative for some reason. Because the pot is too high, isn't it? Yeah, let's see if we still win though. I might still call. What is it gonna hold? Nothing. Jack and 6, nothing. What did he have? What was that? Was there a -1? I want to see how I won and how he won. What happened? Nothing. No one held anything. How did I and that guy win previously? Because I couldn't call everything. So he was second place and he got some of the money back. That's what happened. I held the best hand though. I will just call manually here because we need that experience. You fuck, you did it again, you fuck. Nope, 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 nope. And, oh, we haven't pulled. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, we have not pulled. How do we not pull? Shit. 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 Dude, they're gonna fold, bruh. Raise 4 was clicked. How? 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 They're all folding, bro. Dude, this thing can play or what, man? Can play better than me, bro. I would have lost that hand. Now I gained 6 big blinds, bro. Like, I wouldn't have made that play. They was like, yo, man, he would not be bluffing with 5 other people still holding cards, right? No. So they all folded. Dude, that thing is smart, dude. It doesn't even know how many people are holding cards though. Right, shit, man. Now I need to play this hand though. This hand I need to play though. I think. Got raised. Should have raised maybe. Ooh. Now playing that. Alright, man. Let's call it. What is he gonna have? Double something. Am I calling it? I shouldn't be. It's not worth. But because it's such a huge fucking hand, I don't think he wants anyone to call. He just wants those three big blinds. So maybe he's not actually holding anything. So I'm just call. Bet. Alright, man, fuck it. I won't have chips no more. No! Already 3 times, man. Already 3 times. Come on, I need some chips, man. I need some of it back. Come on. Oh, you fuck, man. Please give me an ace. Please open. And what is it? And I lost, bro. I ain't got chips no more. I can't be testing it. I should have done that. Damn. We fucked up. Oh, no, we do have chips. We're good. We're good. Oh, we do have chips. Damn. I just went from 20 to 77 big blinds back to 0, man. Fuck this shit. Man, stop playing, man. Fucking. Stop playing, bro. Fuck off. Yeah, we. Fuck. Uh-oh. Please commit. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. I know what happens. I know what's happening. We changed the flop thingy. Oh no. What do I do now? Fuck. Now what? Now what? We forget what we just learned? No, we don't. We don't hard push either, so we need to separate those. Well, how do we do that? How do I fuck, let's see. Yeah, this one, yeah, this one's fine. Now what's with this? This one, yeah, this one's good. Now this, yeah, this we may can I like reverse this? What am I doing now, man? What am I gonna do? I don't know how to fix this. I have no idea how to fix this, unfortunately. Yeah, there's different changes happen in float mode. What do I do now? Like at some point I do need to learn this because I'm an IT developer and I should know this. The thing is, usually one has a senior. Like I'm already over 30, so it's kind of getting my time to to become a senior. But like, what do I do with this, man? What do I do about this now, man? We have problems. We got some problems here. Yeah, that's the problem. I mean, can we? What's this? Can this go away too, please? Nigga, block all the time. Offene Änderungen in GitHub öffnen. Checkout, Origin Main, Checkout getrennt. Branch löschen. What do you mean branch löschen? Branch, no, Branch, nee, ich glaube, das ist gefährlich hier, Branch löschen. Oder? Aber dann, was passiert dann? Which one of these is the branch, man? Yeah, we're having trouble, like, here. So what do we do about this? Yeah. Let's, can I just do that? Dude. Yeah, it's kind of tilting, dude. I'm not gonna lie, dude. What am I gonna do here? I have no clue. Okay, we're googling it. I mean, I have to learn at some point. ChatGPT, bro. ChatGPT. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hi. I have changes. I have made changes in the same file on two different computers, and I tried merging them. It did not work, and I know why. I just do not know how to fix it and be able to merge my code again. Can you help me with that? Do you know what to do to maybe reverse a no, question is about Git and GitHub manifest. Absolutely, I can help. This is very common. This is a very common situation, and so you're not alone. To give you exact steps, I need to understand what stage your repo is in right now. But first, let me outline the typical cost and how it's usually fixed. Then I'll ask you a couple of targeted questions. What likely happened cause scenario? You had the same file in computer A, then both changes diverged. Git now has two histories. Git could not auto-merge because the same lines were changed differently. One or more versions deleted renamed code, the other, or one version deleted renamed code, the other modified. No, 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 uh, what happened was was that was that I made changes in the same CSV file and it's having trouble merging this, although those were not the same line. I changed on the separate computers. He's giving the compliments for asking any question. Okay, dude. I'm feeling great though. Like, I asked the right question apparently. Why Git is struggling? Even though lines are different, Git treats a CSV as plain text, but CSV rows often get reordered, get rewritten entirely, have long single line record. So editors normalize line ending, rewrite the whole file when saving. Excel often result Git thinks many lines change even if logically they didn't. So Git says I can't be sure how to merge this safely. The safest way to fix this merge recommended abort the failed merge if still in progress. Uh-huh. Merge. I don't think it's still in progress. Step 2, it's not. Use a proper diff merge tool for CSV. Nah, but that's not even fair though. That's not even fair though. Isn't it, man? Isn't it, man? We could just hard pull and like fuck all the changes we just made. I just know that I had this one good hand and it was like, yo, the pot is too high. We're not gonna win. And then we won because it was 87% equity, and the guy was bluffing. I kind of want that example. I kind of really want that example. Damn it. We could manually copy it, obvious. Actually, copy the whole file. No, I don't even know. How many lines have we added? That's a good question. We can check that. Also, I can't see my screen is getting too sunny in here. Okay. Whoopsies, man. Whoopsies. Okay. Huh? Hello? We added 4 lines, have we? No. What's this? What is this? What is this? Huh. What is this? Like, huh? What is this? What is this? Huh? It's trying to add lines, right? No. This time. 8524. Oh, yeah, I get it. Like, these 2 lines, no. Can I, like, not accept changes or some shit? Oh, git merge abort. No, this one is git merge abort. You do that shit in here. Git, what does it say? Merge minus abort. Merge minus abort. Is that gonna work? Nope. It's not gonna work, bro. Okay, let's see. I'ma just hard pull them, fuck it. But let me save these 3 files somewhere. Yeah, it's that fucked up. It's that fucked up, dude. It is that fucked up. It actually is that fucked up. What is fucked up? It's fucked up that where do I save these? On the well, on desktop, right? Can I save these on the desktop? I barely can, man. And it's a little bit fucked up right there. Flop model, CSV. Where's the other CSVs? I copied 2 of them, 3 of them. Yeah, it's so fucked up, man. Oh, I copied all 3 of them. Come on, bro. Nope. It's only copying one of them. Okay. It's fine though. I can move it to move 3 times, sure. Okay, that's done. And now we what? We get alright, delete history or some shit, man. Again, hard pull. But we need to, like, sometimes I do that shit on the wrong computer then, and then I like delete the changes I actually want to keep. So when we're googling on this, and then we need to think of doing all that shit in here though, or I just stay on here. Um, get delete history. And then we hard pull, I think. Is that even necessary here? Maybe it is. Did we fucked up? Yeah, man, we fucked up. But now, but now we have another problem though. Now we have another problem though, because it may. Oh shit! It may. Oh shit! No, we don't. You don't want to push force origin main here. No, you did not want to do that last thing. Shit. Shit. Because now we need to actually do that same thing here, but damn, what changes do we make? Okay, we did not make. Like the changes here is not in the CSV is not important. So where's the last time we made changes on the main file? Right. These, let's see. Problem is these are both 1 to 3, but let's see what we got here already. Main 150. Show me that. Yeah, so we got that change. This one, 123. We want, no, 1,023. Nope. YouTube empfängt nicht genügend Videodaten, um ein flüssiges Streaming ohne Zusprechung gewährleisten zu können. Fehler. Well, I'm downloading something. Yeah, I'm synchronizing my Git stuff. I'm sorry. It's using a lot of storage, a lot of internet network capacity. It's probably. I'm sorry about that. Shit. So what was it? This change has not happened. Which one? This one. That means we can just copy this file right here. After this is done, okay. Jesus Christ. Yeah, for origin main. Go into the main file here. After it's done pulling, see, we should have added 2 lines after we paste everything. Damn, it's receiving objects again. Nice. What kind of objects are you? Why are you? Damn, it's rebuilding the whole fucking thing. Have we fixed anything else? No, right? I hope we did not. No, we checked. Like, this is the last change we didn't pull. Unfortunately, we forgot to pull, man. We did this change, we was testing it, we wasn't even testing it. Let's do everything in that same block though. That's cool. I just need to wait and then paste everything I got in my session uploader into here. What do you mean refusing to fatal? Okay. How forceful here? How forceful? Get full minus force origin main. Is that how we get rebase or some shit, man? Force. Okay, okay. I need to remember not to copy anything because we copied this whole file. We copied that shit again, I think. Get hard pull, man. Get hard pull. Get fetch all. Get reset means hard. We could back up, man. We could do that. But then we need to like do this branching. Should we? Should we like do multiple branchings? That's how you get into that, man. That's how they pull into you that get shit, man. That's how they get you, man. That's how they get you, dude. And then you're gonna be like branching and shit, man. And you're gonna be like the expert no one fucking likes, man. Like, who wants to be that expert who fucking knows everything, man? Bruh. I'm kidding. Bruh, fuck GitHub, man. Fuck GitHub. Dude, literally everyone who like knew GitHub and at my own workspace was a dick about it. Literally, man. Everyone who knew Git was a dick about it, man. Sure. I'm copying it again. Git fetch. Yeah, reset. This is hard. Hard. And yep, okay, cool. Hmm? What, man? Now what? Now we're done. We're done. I think I can just. But get full origin. Man. Okay, we're done with that one. But no, I think we. What happened here? Yeah, we need to. What the fuck? Okay, see if it still happens now. No, we didn't even. Ah, man, we could have just reverted the changes. It was -1 everywhere. Alright, do we try it out or do we just put it in the same log? Man, fuck it. Put it into this one. So, see if we use that thing in there. We are. That means we are not gonna use that thing in here anymore. Where else, man? Where were we? Where were we? Make decision flop. Decision flop, I think. Yeah. So this one, we checked it from here. Like we moved it from there. Keep that. No, keep this one up there. Make decision flop. Okay, we're gonna look inside here, see if we can. Nope, that's not. Make decision flop. No, there's no locks used in there. Also no. Well, this one should be using that. Maybe we removed it from here. We have just removed it from here. This we just removed that lock from there. What's this? Yeah. Oh, because the only difference is the inputs here. We're using the same methods. I'll remove that lock. So if we do that all that stuff in the same lock, it should run sequentially, as opposed to multi-threaded asynchronously. Make AI decision outputs. So we're using these outputs in here. So still, again, it should wait for this here. Or we do that same, or we do that thing, or do everything in the same lock, which I think if you like set a variable inside this lock, it's gonna wait for it outside the lock. That's how it works. So that's why the previous solution should have also worked. But it doesn't even matter though. How we do it, the way we do it. Let's just, yeah, I think this is better. The return inside the lock is better, yeah, from my experience. That actually causes some trouble if you return outside the lock that you're last using, that you're using last. Okay, so we're done. This should work now, please. Right, have we pushed? We just did some changes. Have we pushed? We have, right? Get fed, get merge. No remote for the current branch. That makes sense, I think. No remote. What is happening? What is happening now? Get full origin name. Okay. Has this worked? Dude, I'm tired, man. I'm tired of it. I don't want to play myself. I don't want to play poker myself. I'm tired. I'm tired. Can you come through? Bitch, get out my line. No way. What's wrong with it? What is wrong with it? 75948. What's wrong with it? Dude, imagine it like went back to some really, really old changes. Imagine that, dude. That would be stupid. It worked. Damn. Well, what happened? Maybe we're too quick to like place it there, to like drag it there. I don't know. Nice, man. All I gotta do is just wait like 5 minutes, and and then check if it's working. And if it's not working, we need to fix code. And if it's working, we need to retrain the models, and then just let it run by itself. It'll learn something, man. It'll learn something. How many flop lines we got then? Like none, almost. I feel like I don't wanna I don't wanna let it play it by itself completely though. I don't think, cause it's going hella low sometimes at river time or whatever. Please get out my line. So we do need to play manually a little bit. Preferably we gain chips, cause next time we can get chips is like in 3 hours, maybe. I think I'm calling here. Oh, I'm betting. That's cool. Oh, damn. I'm not pushing buttons here, dude. I'm not gonna push buttons. Still calculating. What's the winning probability? It was still. It's not even printing the. Wait, what's the? Can I have the probability? Something, man. He's got a double seven. Wow, bro. Congrats, man. Congrats on your double seven, bro. Did it work though? Let's play a couple rounds until flash at least and see if it like ever prints out the -1 in there. It's still that asynchronous stuff in the locks, man. You need to be careful with that. Except that you can't actually be careful. Like I couldn't have known the functionality of this like this. Maybe in flop time it's also too early to go with AI decisions. I don't know. I don't know. Actually not. Maybe. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. Maybe in flop time we also go hard coded, like as per winning percentage and shit. I don't know though. I literally don't. Maybe also not. But it's, nah, that one's hard, man. That one's extremely hard. In the beginning, we'll just call everything in flop. That's what we're gonna do. Everything below 10 big blind, I suppose. Everything below 50% of the pots. No, and or below 10 big blind or below 50% of the pot. We're just gonna call everything and until it learns something. But I think we need a lot of training data to like actually be able to make a smart decision in flop time. Just let's check if it's still if it's not doing the -1, and if it's not, then which is good. This one it can actually fold though. But this is foldable right there. Alright. Have we got enough? Have we a flush king high? Well, who would have known? Also, other people have flushes too here. Wow, I would have had a strong flush. Damn, he had nothing. I would have had a strong flush there, but couldn't have known the chance for that. I'm like tiny. I think. I don't. Maybe some poker professional would tell me no. Actually, you do take that hand, but no, I don't think I do. Paul was tiny. He bet 5. I don't think. Well, I got chances now, so I got some here. Am I gonna bet? No. What's this guy gonna do? Like he's flexing his chips right there. That guy. What am I doing? What am I doing? Have I won? Yeah, I win. Two beaches at the same time. I'm just gonna call. What's the winning probability? 94%. I don't even want to know what it's gonna click. Like it should print me the equity and shit. No, it's still calculating. But what's the equities? Alright, give me that. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. I don't need to even to all that necessary look in the console while I was printing. We could just see in the table file. Look inside the table file in a minute. If there's any minus ones in there, because we don't want those. So random, bro. Why? Ouch, man. Ouch. But it's been printing though, right? Wait, what the fuck happened, man? What? Oh fuck, everything works fine everywhere else, right? Dude, we could be feeding in the features too. We was doing so before, but I don't know, man. You know how much data we need to collect for that, dude? And it should not be. This should not be happening. This should not be happening. Why are you -1? I was gonna see what it was printing. There. Oh, that's how much? 23.9. Self-equity for... Huh? Huh? Equity fallback, model input formation. Yeah, but where's the other stuff that you're supposed to print though? I don't get it. Where's this? Oh, this. It didn't even make a decision flop. It did not make decision flop. I made that decision myself. I made that decision myself. What that mean? If this code didn't run, that's what it is. Now I know what's happening. So this code didn't run. It only runs if decision is none yet. So what that means? We need to do this stuff somewhere else. This stuff. Shit. No, well, I thought it was some asynchronous problem type thing. Asynchronous problem type thing. But we could put this whole thing, that back in there. With self Yeah, but why is the return down here? Oh no, it is down. It's no, it's here. Mm-hmm. So this code needs to happen somewhere else. Yeah. Dude, I thought, dude, my suspicions were completely wrong. Ah, fuck, that's kind of embarrassing. Calculate def, calculate preflop equity, sure. Preflop equity. I need to two calls, gonna be the same. We need the cards and that thing. Oh, hello? Okay, and then if we delete this code from here, no, we can't. We need those values here, no? For what? We need temp inputs. We need outputs. We need temp inputs. We need to call in here. What's with these? We don't need to set any of these in here. Do we need the cards? We don't even need the cards in here. None of this. We don't need any of this in here. Set one for printing, but we can print that somewhere else. Calculate preflop equity. We could do that also before it is our turn. As soon as we because we don't only need the cards for that, don't we? So yeah, we only need the cards for that. This one's still running, right? Okay, so calculate preflop equity. We do the start calculation of the thread type things. For example, it's gonna go here somewhere, but we're just gonna see where we does it in the other things, like right completely at the end, but cards log in the cards log, because we're passing the cards in there. We don't actually need to pass the cards in there like that, but we can. But we don't need to. I don't think, because it's using the cards log inside of it anyways. So go back to flop, and if it's not flop, if alright, self dot this and that, and that's it. Calculate. And that's here. Calculate preflop equity. Pre-flop equity. Record pre-flop equity. So the equity flop will be set here. And then whenever we make that decision, make from predict multiple, make formal inputs. It's using the equity flop inside these, right? And what about this one? Oh yeah, that's it's using the equities from the model outputs. Right? Where does it calculate the equity? Outputs. Outputs. Yeah. Here, calculates equity in here. Formal predicted multiple. And that's where it's actually using it was using the minus ones in there. That's the problem. So please, no more minus ones, and it all works correctly now, please. Where's the new 3 hours left? Okay, but we got 30 fucking, we got 6 all-ins. Like, we can go all in 6 times and lose them right now. So we got chips. We're good. We just won some apparently. Oof, damn. Yo, I know this Ganjue guy. I've played with him. Also the Louis Bull 76. I've played with him. How good? I don't know. But Louis Bull 76 I've played with. Why are those images then? And Ganjui also. Like these are the you know the frequent. What I hold? I think I was holding something here. Q and a 10. Why did I fold? I don't know. Fuck it. I did. I'm gonna have to like. Can this number disappear? Please. I'm calling, right? These straddle guys, man, fuck off. You fucks, man. You dirty fuck, man. You dirty fuck. You took 2 of my big blinds, you fuck. Alright, man. Move table. That's it. That's it. That's it. No more. Fuck you. fold and called. No way. Why the fuck did I call that? That's cool. Flop equity prediction 710.28. It won't go to. It will probably not go to. But what's with the others though? What's with the others though? They're not even calculating the. If we make a decision for the other models, there is still gonna be probability 1-1, but there's not gonna be equities, different equities, which is fine, I suppose. Alright, play two more hands, see if everything works, man. Dude, can I please move table, man? Jesus Christ, I'm gonna put that shit right there. I want to move table. I don't want to sit with these people here. Calling two, yeah, it's fine. Okay, whatever, man. And now I'm folding. See, that's how this guy gets me. This guy keeps getting me with that shit. Please move table, man. Dude, it won't let me move table. Thank God, man. Thank you. Funny little raise here, one. That is a funny raise. It can't make a decision itself smartly here, so it would be a smart decision to bet again here. And from now on, it might be that someone raises again, so I'm a quick call here. But now I could call, unfortunately. But that's fine though. Because there's an ace, and someone could be holding an ace here. Oh, he doesn't though, so we bet 8. Please bet 8 or something. Ooh! He was holding an ace, dude. Dude, he was checking with an ace. Okay, dude, I see you, dude, I see you. That wasn't even bad. See if everything works correctly still again. We're all inning, but we don't really lose a lot. Like, how many do we lose? Like, 2, 5, 3, 1, 1.5. Like, we're losing a little bit. See if that works also. I don't know. And when we're done with that, we're like, I think Dan finally adds some acceptable state of the thing, you know. Just gonna retrain the model real quick. And then we just gonna let it play by itself. I like at some point it'll be I hope it'll be good enough to like not lose chips until next time we can restock chips. That would be great. That would be quite great. Was ist die Steuerung hier? So, komisch da. Szenenübergänge. Okay, we just restocked chips. I think now we need to read the next cards though. I think have we read cards already? Maybe. Yeah, we have, and we folded. So that means we're done. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not even bad. I'm just curious what I would have had here. I shouldn't be curious. It doesn't matter. But like, I don't know. It's just human fucking instinct. I want to know if I would have won here. What's it gonna give me? I need a 4 or a 9. That's a huge pot. I had the same hands as that guy. I think 6 and a 5. So if he wins, if he would have won, we would have had to like split it, but he didn't. Okay. Now we're reading these ones as well, writing to CSVs, but we're not actually writing anything, and we say goodbye. Folds. I'm getting out. Thank you. Thank you for game. Maybe I'll leave an emote next time, man. Leave an emote, something, man. Say good game or something. You could implement like every time you leave, you just say good game or something. Okay, see what we got here. And then it's League of Legends time. I'm not gonna. What do you think? I'm gonna fucking waste my life away training some fucking. Probably not even gonna work poker AI, bro. Nah, fuck that. It's gonna do the thing itself, man. I'm not gonna do shit. We merged, did we? When did I merge? I just fetched. So, what's this? What the fuck is this? Hello? People origin name. Already up to date. What's weird? Oh, that is weird. That's weird. Shit, man. Shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait. This, yeah. Maybe it's an old line. I hope it's an old line. Maybe it probably is an old line. Yeah. It was the one where we won a lot, I think. Damn! You know how much? Dude! Damn! You know how much that is, dude? That's times 30. Dang, it's almost 90 big blinds. 70 big blind that was, yeah. I think that's the one. Okay, get points, man. Does it work correctly or not, man? Where does that -1 come from? I thought we deleted that one already. I generally thought we deleted that one already. Okay, and we went all in also. We went all in a couple times. You wouldn't know that maybe, I don't know. This one maybe? Times 30, how much is that? 0.23 times 30? It's a lot. This one, I think, may have been the all-in one. Yeah, that's the last hand we took all in, and then we didn't take any hands anymore, like any pre-flops. That's what that one, and that times 30 is 7.5 big blind. No, that's too high of a number, dude. That's too high of a number. That's way too high of a number, dude. Way too high of a number. Wait. Divided by 30. Oops. Make model output all in handle. Money before last preflop divided by 30. Oopsies. Make model output. Where is that? Yeah, there's only make model output and make model output all in handled. Where's the all in handled one? I don't get it. Model, oh, okay. Wait, we need to rename that because that's output is not two separate words. And that one is divided by 30, dude. It's a good thing we checked that though. Where else is it's like suspicious, man? Fuck. We won something here apparently. No. This probably also kind of suspicious, man. Take the ones where the value's like really big out, because apparently, I think, I don't know exactly, but fuck, that's fucked up. Dude, just yeah, man. Just where the ones where the value is like very high, just take them out. Fuck it. Fuck, that's not pretty, but it is what it is. Dude, I made mistakes, man. I made mistakes, man. I made hella mistakes. This one, hella suspicious right there. These ones, have we actually lost and won that much? Yeah, well, these are insuspicious, dude. 0.51 big blinds. That's not suspicious, man. That's not something that happens. 0.64 big blinds is not something that happens. These are actual numbers. And fuck. So maybe we didn't have to delete all of them here. Let's see. Let's see. This one definitely deletable. Otherwise, no. I'd say they're fine. They're fine. This one -1. Yeah, these are the old. These are the old all-ins, I think. Do we? Fuck it, let's leave it. Okay, it's done now though, right? Turn model. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. We're fine, we're good. Okay, get pulled orange and main. Now what? I don't know what. What now? What? Now we're just gonna let it play for a little bit, see if it runs correctly. And on this side though, we're already retraining the models. That's what's up. We're gonna retrain the models. Right, where's that? Turn model training. No, I don't think. Turn model training. Which one's the? I think this, right? Yeah. This one was a neural network type that we tried, but we ain't got enough data for neural networks. So flock XGB, river XGB, turn XGB, there they are. Alright, flop XGB. No, wait, this one might crash. Damn, whew, we're lucky it didn't. It's fucking dangerous, man. Flop XGB ran. Now it's river XGB. Then it's turn XGB. Carrie Berry, Carrie Berry. Does it work or not, man? Come on, bro. We could have updated the models before we rerun it, cause oh man, we're just gonna do that now. Okay. Ah, damn it. But like, let's just play with a high confidence first. Hello. Yeah. Origin main. Hello? No way. I fucked it up. Yeah, I'm so done, man. Come on, bro. Why am I so done? Can you stop? Oh, I can't stop like this. They changed this recently. They changed this that I can't like do this. But now it's not asking me if I want to send a report. That tells me it was sending the report anyways. And they changed this. Cause I've been running it and I didn't have to like right click and then support bend or something. I could have just control C and click goodbye and it was closed, but it asked me if I want to send a report. Every time it's asking that, it's still sending the report. Dude, that's not the first time I'm thinking that. It's literally what happens. Have we pulled? Shit. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Shit. It will. Bad problems arise if you like forget to do that, but like trying to test like the software and shit. Alright, now I'm gonna close the whole thing completely now. Like dude, I don't wanna see poker anymore, man. Fuck this shit. Get that shit on my fucking face, literally. Get that shit on my face. I don't wanna see that shit. I need to smoke some weed before I even look at that shit again, bro. That's gonna take weeks. I'm not touching that shit. It's just gonna play by itself for like weeks now. And we need to leave the password changed because we can't afford the internet. We can. If we're not screen sharing, it's not that big of an issue with the. But I can't change the password on the Mac anymore. Y'all fucked up, man. These Apple people, man, they was annoyed by these mess. They still get those reports, and they was annoyed by that, so they disabled it. They literally disabled it. Before, while the Python program was running and not finished, if I click goodbye, then it couldn't. It couldn't. But the Python program was gonna be run until the game was started up. So if I don't start up the game successfully, the Python program will just time sleep, try again, try again. So what I had to do was Control C inside the console as well after clicking goodbye. And this whole constellation kind of like threw a bad error for Apple, I suppose, that they didn't like, and they changed something such that it's not asking me to like send a report at that time. Did did you think that's like thinking too much of myself? There's like so many Apple users, bro. You're not that special that they're gonna change that one thing for you. You think that, but SSEO made an album about me specifically, the whole fucking album. I need to put on some socks. I think it's getting cool. Kind of getting cool. So why is there shit? Why is there what's up on the windows like that, man? Like I did take a shower this morning, but we don't want mold. With this mold forming, bro, it's kind of dangerous out here. There's like literally mold forming, bro. Like I can't afford taking it. In winter, it's kind of like sus. Winter is like way worse too. Like I need to. How long is this house even gonna last like that, man? Also, I need to do laundry. I need to do laundry. I'm up for confidence. Up for confidence. Oh, he was holding cards already, wasn't he? Up for confidence a little bit. And just let it play. Damn. See what happens. See what happens. Raise. Damn. What happens here? Show me the equities. Well, damn. Raise 4 equity. Damn. Well, damn. Okay. Damn, it's fucking working, bruh. I mean, we didn't win much, but wonder if we raised here or something. Okay, what happens here? So 166%. Damn, 67%. Dude, why is he raising so much? Dude, I'm gonna close that thing. I don't wanna. It's working. It's playing, bro. Need a jack. Need a jack here. Please don't raise. Raise us by one. Okay, that's us. I guess the confidence a little too high. It too high. It was folding stupidly though. So it doesn't say anything that we just won 5 big blinds off of 3 hands. It does not say anything, dude. It doesn't mean anything. Come on, bro. It's kind of interesting though. I think it's trying to fold here. That's good. That's good. That's good. It's trying to fold here. It knows. Dude, we're done. We're done. It's done. I'm fucking done with the fucking poker playing AI right now, I think. I think we're done right fucking now. Dude, we're done. This is working, bro. I can go shopping, I can go play football, play some League of Legends. It's gonna play poker for me. And it's gonna learn too. Dude, I'm gonna close the fucking thing. Close it right now, matter of fact. Nah, keep it open. I don't know. Do we keep it open or close it? Keep it open. Right. No, I don't want to play myself, man. At least I don't want to think about it, man. Get that shit out of my fucking face. I'm gonna go for a walk. See y'all later.